Discover Ethiopia's hidden royal legacy. For centuries, Ethiopia's majestic royal residences remained shrouded in mystery, closed off to the public despite their prominence in urban landscapes. Now, thanks to the restoration initiative led by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, starting with the Grand Palace, now known as Unity Park, these historic sites have opened their gates, offering a rare glimpse into Ethiopia's regal past. Welcome to the National Palace. Originally built to commemorate Emperor Haile Selassie's Silver Jubilee, the National Palace stands as an iconic landmark and a testament to Ethiopia's rich heritage. Once a space reserved for royalty, national leaders and dignitaries, it has now been transformed into a shared treasure for all to experience. This historic compound, which houses time-honored buildings and national treasures, had long been neglected, becoming overgrown with vegetation. Close to the public, the palace and its grounds fell into disrepair, characterized by dim lighting, dusty rooms, and ivy-covered walls. However, now fully restored, it stands in grace, welcoming everyone to visit and enjoy its beauty. Given the palace's collections and historical artifacts of significant value to the nation, its preservation and restoration have been undertaken with great care. The meticulous restoration process has been guided by specialists, ensuring that the palace retains its historical and cultural significance. Considerable energy and effort have been invested to maintain its current appearance. Spanning over 27 hectares in the vibrant heart of Addis Ababa, the National Palace serves as a sanctuary of Ethiopia's rich history, beautifully intertwined with expansive natural landscapes. The grounds feature historic tree species, lush greenery, tranquil fountains, and architectural wonders. From its serene pathways to the meticulously restored Royal Dining Hall, where many world leaders were once hosted, the palace tells a story of global significance. A journey through time. Stepping into the newly constructed vehicle gallery is like embarking on a journey to the past. Here, restored automobiles, carriages, and train wagons, once used by Ethiopian royalty, are showcased in the specially built gallery for the public to explore. The luxurious and eclectic car collection were both symbols of prestige and practical means of state transportation. The fleet, which included luxurious vehicles such as Rolls-Royce Phantom 4s, Mercedes-Benz 600 Pullman limousines, Packard Super 8s, Cadillac Fleetwood limousines, and Lincoln Continentals, often used for state ceremonies and official engagements, also features practical vehicles like Land Rovers for navigating Ethiopia's rugged terrain, along with Fiats and Peugeots. These vehicles were abandoned in a shanty warehouse until Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed initiated their restoration and spearheaded the construction of Ethiopia's first modern vehicle gallery within the National Palace. Visitors can explore carriages that once welcomed and bid farewell to national leaders and guests, as well as those that were used for touring the city. The vehicle gallery also features 2 train wagons, both equipped with sleeping quarters, a dining area, a bathroom, and an office. These lavish trains were used by the emperor for both work and leisure during trips to Harar. Upon exiting the vehicle gallery, visitors stroll through the pristine grounds and are greeted by the ornate golden entrance of the palace halls and chambers. Inside, they are welcomed by soaring ceilings and softly illuminated walls. Wide steps lead to spacious reception rooms, the banquet hall, and what was once the emperor's residential quarters. Every detail has been meticulously restored, preserving the palace's historical essence. These spaces have witnessed key moments in Ethiopia's history, from state banquets to pivotal diplomatic meetings. As visitors descend into the basement, they encounter the newly constructed Palace Museum, featuring the palace's rich history, exhibits of royal regalia, artifacts, significant gifts, including ivory tusks and gold ornaments. The Palace Museum houses regal treasures, crowns, thrones, ornate dining utensils, and leather-bound books. Each artifact resonates with Ethiopia's rich cultural heritage and its connections to the world. From exquisite crowns once worn by emperors to intricately designed thrones, these items reflect the artistry and craftsmanship of a bygone era. Emerging from the museum into the back of the palace grounds, a spacious garden area awaits. Designed as a peaceful retreat, the garden features manicured plants, a pond, stone paths, and bamboo bushes and a bridge. The garden provides a tranquil environment where visitors can experience a moment of calm. Nearby, a newly built natural hot spring spa offers visitors a serene space for relaxation and respite. The spa harnesses the therapeutic power of the area's geothermal waters, providing a tranquil environment where guests can immerse themselves in warm, mineral-rich waters known for their healing properties. Whether for a quiet escape or a wellness experience, the spa adds a luxurious and restorative dimension to the National Palace grounds. The palace also offers a variety of amenities designed to provide comfort and relaxation for visitors. Among these are exquisite cafes and restaurants presenting a range of culinary experiences where guests can indulge in both traditional Ethiopian dishes and international cuisine, all served in a refined, elegant setting. Additionally, the African Mosaic and Addis House of Culture showcase the vibrant interplay of fashion and art. The National Palace is truly more than an urban destination. It's a bridge between Ethiopia's past and present, offering a space for learning, connection, and celebration. Whether you're admiring the treasures of the vehicle gallery, wandering the lush grounds and manicured lawns, or marveling at the royal regalia, each moment here is a step deeper into Ethiopia's extraordinary history. Step into the National Palace and uncover the majesty of Ethiopia's royal legacy.